Welcome to our Warrior Cat lesson. In this video, we will explore gospel lessons we can learn from the Warrior Cat series. Just as Jayfeather has faith in StarClan, having faith in the Lord helps us. Trusting in a higher power provides guidance and strength. Blue Star's journey of faith shows us that even after losing faith due to tragedies, it can be rediscovered. She felt abandoned, but ultimately found her way back to StarClan during the battle at Sunning Rocks. The deception of Saul serves as a warning against evil. Saul manipulated the clans, turned Black Star against StarClan, and caused inter-clan battles. This reminds us not to trust those who speak against God, as manipulation leads to fighting and division.
We will not yield! Attack!
They are saying terrible things about your family. They challenged your honor. You must fight them now!